guys, another update on the second-hand batteries. That one's holding 9.7 at the moment. No charger on. Yeah, so this one's going to be next. I was saying about I really love these Anderson plugs. Look at this. You just cut a jumper leads in half, put an Anderson plug on each one, and look, wobbly there. I've even put Anderson plug on my battery charger, so I can change from one battery off and change to the other battery. I've even got them in the car, like under the bonnet, so I can plug in inverters or battery chargers with just one simple plug. Let's see if I can transfer this battery, that multimeter, sorry, without stopping filming. Might be a challenge. Whether it's going to read or not. It is. Oops. Jeez. Some things are so easy but one-handed. There we go. So that one's holding 12 point. Oh, the terminal's moving. Hang on. No, tripod time. Tripod, come on. Let's see. Sure. Okay, so 12.45. I think I showed in the other video, I've already topped the cells up and sealed it up with the Celastic. Clean that up later. That was the other one. And there's the hot glue gun. And the syringe. The drill I used to drill the hole. Let's see what this other battery does. Battery charger on. It's already going up. So this has been sitting since I had it on the wind turbine that day. It'll go up in the voltage, and then it'll, if the battery's good, it'll drag it back down again. As I said, each cell is about supposed to be 2.1, 2.2 volts, like resting voltage, after it's settled down from charging. As you can see, there's 6 holes because there's 6 cells. 6 twos are 12, of course, plus the extras. So it's not racing up, so the battery's definitely got a hold of the voltage. It's not letting it go up any higher. I think that's got a start function on that battery charger, and I think it's doing 15 volts at the moment, like open circuit. That looks very happy. opposite transformer in that one. It's supposed to be a jump starter. You can't even buy them anymore. I think it's called Scorpion battery charger. It's good. Here we go. Yeah, oh, that one's the 15 one. The 15 volt setting. Put it back on the lower one. Yeah, I might even pair the two batteries up so they look after themselves overnight. Share the voltage between them, which I can do with the Anderson plugs. One battery can plug straight into the other. I know what I said before, these oil change containers are for the car. You know, you'd find it at a car shop, Repco or something like that. I'm sure they would have a bigger one for the bigger battery. Yeah, so next time you see a battery on the side of the road, usually they're a giveaway because you're lucky to get $2 for lead these days. Maybe if a war starts it'll be dearer. But, here we go, it's backing down there. It's definitely going to settle above 12. I might even chuck this battery in a van. I got it there at the front because it had a little a little car battery in it. What's that say? 660 amp cranking capacity. Look at this. Yeah, CCA cranking capacity. What's that one upside down? 500 amps cranking capacity. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that one. Catch you later.